Hello, Tony here, and today I wanted to talk about planning your designs for marketing. And how you do that is with a framework called the Who, What, When, Where, Why framework. And the reason you want to do this is so that your marketing can be more effective. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that the time and resources that you put into this are going to be more effective. You first want to start with who. Who is this design for? Where are they in the buyer's journey? What does your ideal client look like? What is their persona, their avatar? There's different ways to describe it. You really want to nail down who the design is for. Then we go into the what. What is going to be your biggest section where you look at what's working, what's not working, what your goals are, what styles and consistencies do you need to keep in mind as far as your branding, your industry, with marketing that you've done previously, what has worked well, what hasn't. You want to keep all of these in mind when you're planning your next design. So we've done the who and the what. Now we have the when. With the when, you want to look at when is this going to be seen? Is it going to be seen pre-launch, post-launch, during the launch? You really want to pay attention to when it is that you're going to be showing this design, and it particularly if it's a physical product, because you want to make sure that you have all of the inventory that you need for each stage of the marketing campaign that you're doing. So we have the who, the what, and the when. Now we have where. Where is this going to be seen? Is it going to be digital? Is it going to be printed? Is it both? What do the colors look like? Because when you look at digital color versus printed color, there can be a difference, and often is. You want to look at where it's going to be seen as far as sizing goes. Is there a specific size you need to keep in mind? And we've done the who, the what, the when, the where. Now we have the why. Why are you doing this in particular? How is this going to fit in with your short-term marketing and your long-term marketing goals? How is this going to impact your bottom line, the overall reason for your business existing? You want to keep all of these in mind before you even start designing to begin with. You really want to go through this planning process before you start designing, so that way it'll be more effective as you go on. In the next video, I'm going to go over 8 graphic design principles that you'll want to keep in mind while you're designing. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below about a current marketing design that you're working on, and let me know where in this planning stage you are. I'll see you there.